In 2017, one of my idols requested a birthday song from me specifically. It was such an honor to have received that kind of request from the person I admire. Her name is Lerindiki Kyangte, most commonly known as Dadui, and she is such a national treasure. So I wrote a song called GOAT, Greatest of All Time. A birthday hi June ni som hi pakwa niya. Ahlam hinga hianin GOAT, Greatest of All Time katiya. Cause that's how much I respect her craft and her talent. So here is the birthday song for this special person, performed in 2017.
Love at first sound when I hear you sing. Your voice sent shivers down my spine and gave me chills from head to toe, and I became an instant fan for life. Happy birthday to you, be Dadu, and may your legend live on forever, and may the heavens grant you your wishes. Dargon Kobin Damnante, the greatest of all time. Dargon Kobin Damnante, the greatest of all time.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Pitadui.